Today I share with you how I made this delicious and mouth-watering samosa. If you are finding it difficult to make samosa, this is the right time to get it right. It was everything you need to try, all the due process you need to know to make this amazing samosa I'm going to share with you on this video. To begin, guys, I'm going to be needing 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Next is for me to add in is corn flour. Next is just to add in is salt. All I do now is to add in oil. So now I'm going to mix everything together at this point. So I'm going to use the oil to massage the flour very well until it come out perfect like this. You see how gorgeous that look. So at this point now I'm going to be adding water. I make use of 1 cup of water. So after adding the water, I keep on mixing with my hands. If you haven't shared this video, you have to share this video. If you are finding it difficult to make samosa, guys, this one is the easiest way to make samosa and you are going to love every bit of it. So I get that mix until the batter come together like this. So this is what I have after mixing. You see how draw this look. So it's not going to be that strong, it's not going to be that soft, but you have to be fluffy like this. So after mixing that, all I do now is to cover the batter to rest again for 20 minutes before I make use of it. Next is for us to prepare is the filling. Over here we have chicken. So I'm going to stir fry the chicken. The center, I do not adding oil inside the pan, just adding only the chicken and the center and keep on frying. So this is 1 minute of stir frying that. Now I'm going to be adding this chicken seasoning, Maggi seasoning. Next is for me to add in is salt and then stir together. Take note of this sauce, guys. You have a lot to enjoy with this sauce because it was everything delicious. Now it's for me to add in onion, the set and green beans, and next is for me to add in hot pepper, then add in carrot. So after adding all this, I'm going to keep on stirring. So at this point, I'm not adding any other thing. All I do now is to stir until everything cooked together. So this take me about 8 to 10 minutes to get this cook, and it was everything massive. So sweetie, tell me, what do you think you are going to enjoy with the chicken sauce? It was so delicious. I was thinking a lot for this sauce because I have a lot to eat with this sauce on my own, because I'm going to try it to eat any other thing apart from this because it was so sweet. This is 10 minutes later. All I do now is to transfer that back inside this bowl and then let that to cool down because it's ready to use. See how yummy this look. This is 20 minutes later. At this point, the batter is ready. What I do now is to use cutter to divide that into little bites like this. After cutting everything, this is what I have. So what I do now is to take one of it, use my hand to tight it, then use my hand to press it out like this. So this one is just so easy to just get done. You use your hand to press it and then cut out the excess. So this is how I fold the rest of it. So now I'm going to take one of it, then the remaining one I'm going to cover that with kitchen towel, then take my roller to roll that until it come out little cycle like this. So now I'm going to take a round plate, then cut any excess and the center I open to have this gorgeous shape. So once I achieve this shape, I'm going to divide that shape into 2 like this. Over here we have flour. I'm going to mix that with water. So after mixing that, we are going to have something like this, so keep it aside. So over here is the batter. So now I'm going to take one side of it. This is how I get that wrap. I'm going to first of all fold it like this. So next is for me to take in the flour that I mix with water to rub all over the side like this. So use the other side to lap on top of it like this. Just so simple, guys. Did you just see what I do here? It was just so simple. Every woman being can get this done, like every woman being, because it was so simple and at the same time it was just so delicious. Like, you don't need to think twice to make samosa. You can make it anywhere you are. So you are going to take the remaining flour, then add it on top of the mat of the remaining batter like this, then use your hand to just cover it like this. So once you achieve it like this, all you have to do is to use your fork to just see the mat. It was everything nice and simple. See how gorgeous this look. This is how I get this done. This is how I cover this. All you need to do is to share this video, follow this process, because this time you don't need to stress yourself to make samosa when you can easily get this done like this. So now I'm done covering everything. This is what we have. So this one is the one I do again. So everything is ready and the same time is ready to fry. We are going to be frying that with hot oil. Over here we have our oil. I'm going to add everything inside the oil, though I get that fried twice because I separated it, as you can see. So this one is the first batch. I get it fried and it was everything massive. One thing about this snacks, I have a whole lot of joy frying this snacks. It was so beautiful frying this. Like, I have a whole lot of fun. It's so nice, it's so beautiful, it's so crunchy, and the softness again is everything delicious. Oh my goodness, everything about this samosa is so much watering. You can use this to do business. Like, you can have a whole lot of samosa in the twinkle of eye. You can see that it's going to give you a whole lot of samosa. It's not going to make you to waste any ingredient that much, but you are going to make many samosa out from this, because it was just so tiny and at the same time it was so massive. This is just so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I just love this. The feeling I use, the shape of this, everything about this recipe is mind blowing. At this point, I'm done frying everything, and here we have it. Oh my god, this is so amazing. See how beautiful this look. Have you shared this video? Everyone around you is going to appreciate you for this recipe. My kids, like my daughter, did not even come back for school. She have eaten no less than 3 that moment. It was so sweet. Just enjoy this with any cold drink around you. You are going to appreciate yourself. In my next one, bye.